Yes, what you saw in the thumbnail and title is true. I bought this gaming headset for just 3,000 rupees, which actually costs around 6,500 rupees. Not only that, you can also buy many other electronics and gadgets for half of its actual price. Do you want to know how? Then watch this video till then because it's really going to amaze you. Hey guys, it's your boy Arnav and you are watching Tech Arena, so welcome back. And yes, I bought this headset for 3,000 rupees and it actually costs around 6,500 rupees. You can't find it less than 5,500 rupees. Then how did I get this for 3,000 rupees in the first place? I just want to make a note that this is not a used or a refurbished product, but this is actually a brand new headset from Logitech. And not only that, it also has 2 years of Logitech warranty. How did I get this in the first place? Well, we'll talk about that, but before, let's take a look at the unboxing of this product. Alright, so this is the box of the Logitech G435, and yes, there are some dents here and there, but I'll explain that in a moment. And let's quickly unbox it. These are the contents inside the box, and you get the 2.4 GHz dongle to use the headphones on your PC. You get the USB to Type-C cable for charging the headset, and also you get some paperwork, and finally the box in which all these accessories came in. Looks a bit damaged, right? Anyways, that's a quick unboxing, and now I'll be using this device for a couple of days and we'll let you know the experience that I had with this, and also we'll verify the authenticity of this headset, whether it's original or a replica or not, and let me tell you that experience after a couple of days. Alright, so before me talking about my experience with the headset, from where did I buy it and should you buy it and all that stuff, let me introduce you to my sponsor Bzinga. Bzinga is basically an app through which you can buy electronics for as low as 1 rupee. Yes, I'm not kidding, for as low as 1 rupee. All you need to do is to download the app from the link in the description, which will take you to Play Store, and then open the app and you have to register with your mobile number and PIN code, and then you are good to go. Now browse for the product that you need to bid. For example, I am choosing this OnePlus TV, and while bidding, make sure to bid a number that's low as well as unique. The more unique your bid, the higher the chances of you to win. Not only that, you can also place multiple unique bids to increase the chances of you to win. And if you don't have enough bids, you can buy it through their ticket store, and not only that, you can also refer your friend to get extra bid tickets. Well, go to the menu of the app and then click the option called as refer a friend. After doing that, you have to refer your friend by using the link in the app, and after your friend installs the app and registers himself, you will get the free tickets that can be used to bid for the product that you need. So what are you waiting for? Buy your favorite electronics for as low as 1 rupee by downloading Bzinga app. The link is in the description below. Check it out. So I've been using this pair of headset for quite some time, and surprise, it's actually great. The first thing I noticed as soon as I picked up this headphone is it's so lightweight. For comparison, I use the HyperX Cloud Core 7.1 headset, which weighs more than 600 grams, while this just only weighs about 163 grams. So imagine the weight of this headset. And because of that, I even felt that I am having a replica product. So the second thing that I did is to verify the authenticity of this product. How? I checked the serial number, which is in the left ear cup, and also I took this headset to a Logitech service center near me to ask them to verify the authenticity of this product. And for the surprise, it's actually a brand new Logitech 435. So yes, it's a brand new product. It is not a duplicate one or something like that. It's an original Logitech G435 with warranty. Now after verifying the authenticity of the headphone, I started using it, and the first thing that I noticed is its audio quality. It was actually great. The sound stage was actually good, but the problem with this headset was its bass. It was a bit muddy initially, but when I compared it head to head with my HyperX headset, the volume of this headset is a bit low in comparison with that. And when I checked online, it's pretty much everyone's opinion because it's mostly targeted for children. But hey, it is not very bad. And I also checked the mic, whether it's working or not, and everything works perfectly. So in terms of the audio quality, in terms of the build quality, in terms of the warranty and authenticity, everything is actually great. So let's talk about the elephant in the room. From where did I get this product? And not only that, you can also buy products from them for half of the actual price of the product. So I and my friend was searching for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, and we happened to come across a YouTuber's video who was showcasing a wholesaler in Delhi who was selling a lot of electronics and gadgets for half of its price. But when we saw that video, we felt that it's kinda sketchy, but we tried to watch it till the end. And then we came to know that he was able to sell all these electronics for half of its actual price because the box of all these products were a bit damaged here and there. Remember? When I unboxed this product, I talked about the dents, which I told that I'll talk in the later part of the video. Yes, that is exactly the thing. The way they are able to sell it for half of its price is because all the products boxes were not sealed. Yes, usually when you buy stuff from Amazon or Flipkart, they give you a warning saying that if the seal of the product is broken, you shouldn't accept it. So these guys sell all the products whose seals are broken on the box. That doesn't mean that the actual product is damaged or old or used. The actual product is good and is in a good condition. As this headset, you can see it's brand new. It had all the seals, right? So like that, we came across many other sellers in and around Delhi. So first we bought a OnePlus Bullets headset from a dealer called as Green Deals 365. As soon as we paid, we were afraid because we thought that, okay, we are going to get cheated. And the actual cost of the headset is around 1,799 on Amazon if you see. And we got it for just 1,300. And after 3 days of paying the amount, we got the product. After we received the product, we checked the audio quality of the product and it sounded really great. We also took that headphone to our nearest OnePlus service center. We verified its authenticity and yes, it is authentic. It's also under warranty and they also provided us with a warranty bill. And next, we decided to buy something else from some other seller and that's when I landed up seeing Smart Accessory Hub. Now keep in mind that this video is not sponsored by them or this video is not made in intention to promote them, but I just wanted to, talk about all these different kinds of sellers who are really underrated, who are really unknown by many people. Yes, there were many other products like the OnePlus Buds Pro. He was selling for around 6,000 rupees. Yes, which costed around 10,000 rupees online. I had the budget of rupees 4,000 to spend and that's when I decided to buy this headset. This headset for wholesalers, he was selling for around 2,500 rupees. So if you buy more than 2 or 3 headsets, he can give you for that, but I am a retail customer, so I got it for 3,000 rupees. I also paid 200 rupees extra for the shipping. After paying for this product and waiting, I got the tracking link of the product and after 2 days it got delivered to me. And yes, that's how I bought this headset. It's pretty legit. You can also give it a shot. All the links of those creators who made videos about these sellers are in the description below. You can check it out. Now the second question which comes into my mind: should you buy stuffs from these kind of sellers? Well, I would say no, because it's kind of a risk. Again, buying small stuffs which cost under 4,000 rupees is not a big deal because again, you get the brand warranty and if something happens to the product, you can actually take it to the brand and get it replaced. But if you're trying to buy anything which is costing more than 10,000 or 20,000, it's better for you to go to that place in person and buy. So anyways, what do you guys think about the product which I bought from them? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, will you buy stuffs from them? Let me know also your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, if you end up enjoying watching this content, a like to this video would be absolutely great. Share this video with all of your friends because it can help them save some money. And don't forget to check out our sponsors Bzinga. The link to download the app is in the description below. Kindly check it out. Subscribe to our channel because we upload a lot of awesome tech videos, and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. So that's it. This is your boy Arnav signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.